Assalamu alaikum, my name is Makdoom Minsa and this is my ICT Python project created in Google Colab, a simple restaurant menu order system. It lets users choose items from a menu and calculates the total bill. I built it using basic Python concepts like lists, loops, conditionals, and error handling. So now I'll be explaining on my project on this part of my coding. So let's start. I added 7 food items to the menu. Pizza is $12.99, burger is $8.99, pasta is $10.50, salad is $7.99, coffee is $3.50, and cake is $5.99. This is how my code works. I'm gonna press the open button at the top and then it's gonna ask me what I want to buy. So I wanna buy a pizza and a burger. Now it's asking me for writing a number, but instead of writing a number, I'm gonna write pizza and burger. So if I write this, pizza and burger, it's gonna say invalid and tell me to do it again. But instead of writing pizza and burger, and now I'm gonna write the numbers, pizza is for 1 and also burger is for 2. And so I'm gonna write this separately. And I also wanna buy a coffee with it, so I'm gonna write 5. And then once I'm done buying whatever I want to buy, I'm gonna write 0 and I'm done with my order. So I'm gonna write 0 and then it's gonna say my order summary is pizza, burger, and coffee, and my total bill was $25.48. Thank you for your order. What I did right now was all together, but you can also do it separately. So if I reopen it and I wanna buy, what should I buy? I think I should buy burger, and if I'm done with it, I'll write 0, and then it's gonna say your order summary burger, and your total bill is $8.99. So as you can see over here, you can also do it 1 and you can also put all together. This project helped me practice using lists, loops, conditionals, and input validation. It's a simple but realistic example of how Python can be used to build interactive systems. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you understand my project. Thank you so much.